everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok one-pan salmon pasta, so let's get started with the video. First, take 2 salmon fillets that have been patted dry and coat them in a bit of olive oil. Next, season the salmon to your liking. I seasoned my salmon with Old Bay, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Once you finish seasoning the salmon fillets, place them in a 9x13 baking dish. Next, add 5.3 ounces of Boursin garlic and herb cheese, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then drizzle some olive oil on top. Next, season the tomatoes with some salt, pepper, and oregano. Now place the baking dish in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Next, in a large pot filled with water, add salt. Then bring the water to a boil and add 8 ounces of pasta noodles. I'm using linguine noodles. Then cook them for however long it says to on the package. Once the salmon has finished baking in the oven, take it out. Then add 2 cups of spinach. Now break up the salmon and mix everything together until well combined. Once everything is mixed together, add your pasta noodles. And that's it, you are all finished. Now all that's left to do is plate it up. And this is the finished result. This recipe is super simple, easy, and healthy. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!